They are ready. Education Ministry survey shows majority of primary schools prepared for PEP. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, it's illegal. Calabar ordered to reinstate students barred from promotion to grade 11.
Dengue fever? Health Ministry investigates claims 2 men are being treated for the mosquito-borne disease.
Expect delays. JUDC says the traffic changes in Kingston to impact 34 routes.
Water woes. St. Thomas residents protest for the precious commodity.
And in business news, reviving dairy. Plans in motion to bring the wheeling industry back to life.
There's also sports, bus commentary and weather in the primetime package. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what is your view on Calabar's decision not to promote students to grade 11 because their grades fall below 60%?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet at television jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.